Let's start from daily on gold. On gold, you can see the yesterday price has created this big engulfing candle, and while creating this one, price broken below that previous bearish candle. I would say. So my bias for today is bearish, and I am looking for targeting this low, either this one or that one. That one is the final one, and I might drill. But again, today is Friday night, so I'm not expecting so much from it. And if I take a look at the H4 didn't close below this order block yet, but we do have this inverted fair value gap, again respecting this fair value gap, and now I really am looking forward to go toward downside. Even though price has shifted the structure on H4, you can see here that might be a red flag for me. But if I take a look at the M15, on M15 my plan was to look for the bearishness and then have the liquidity and market structure shift. But as I said, the H4 has shifted the structure in bullish, which means for price to need bullish confidently, it needs the sweep of liquidity and then shift structure, retest, move like this. And this is what we have right now. At the same time, current price is sitting at this one. So if price break below this candle, then I am ready to move bearish as my daily bias. But as for the 4 hour, price might reverse from here, rocket ship toward bullishness because 4 hour is bullish. Now if I take a look at the Euro USD, so I would say yesterday it was really my mistake for having that loss, but still current price is bearish on daily, even though we are at the bullish order block, but since market has shifted the structure respecting this bullish bearish order block, so I am bearish on EU. And 4 hour as well is bearish because you can see simply the order block and everything on 4 hour. So yeah, on Euro USD, all I'm looking for, price has taken liquidity, so now all I'm looking for having a order block and then break below that order block, so that I can move bearish from there. And yeah, yesterday target has been hit. If I wasn't so greedy about maximizing my wins, so, yeah, that's it. It is what it is. So let's see how today turn out. And now, given the fact on H4 time frame that price is bullish, price has, just turned into bullishness, and currently this bullish level gap is holding the price, which is why if I take a look at the daily, you can see after this big wick candle we do have a bearish day. It doesn't mean that price did hold a bearish day, price really moved upside that day. So yeah, I think I might get something like that, which is why now if I take a look at the H1, you can see price has shifted the structure and currently holding it, shifted structure again, which is why in combination I think I would like to go bullish on this one. So yeah, that's I am in on this trade. So basically, as my plan was, it was sweep, retest, and then again an engulfing candle. This is where I execute my SL below this one, and TP looking for the move on here. So yeah, that's the TP simply. So let's see how this one turn out, and yep, I'm managing my risk very well. The order has been closed in profit fortunately, but one of the thing I don't like about ZAO USD is that price tend to be range bound during, before hitting the TP, and when it hit TP it just should skyrocket every time. Not every time, but most of the time it happens like this, which I hate, and I need to fix this problem. So so that I can, I mean, you can see here there's so much money I'm leaving on this table. So yeah, that's the thing on ZAUUSD. I have, so one of the things that I learned about from the previous mistake is that I have to be very up to date with every hour of candle during, I mean, whether it is like H1 time frame or H2 time frame. So today I did that, and surprisingly, I find out that there's a problem with my H4 structure and the H1 structure, which I need to pay attention to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I understand that. I saw the previous price behavior and took action accordingly, which is why you can see I think price is now very much going for this one. I have marked that one. So yeah, there ain't anything to, I mean, I would say no comment on that. So yeah, price is pretty much going toward this order block. Closed, and as I have said, price really did reach the target. But well, no complaint because I will make money, and that's the thing. We are a day trader, and we have to catch the move that is most likely to get hit. Now, if I take a look at the Euro USD, so yesterday, as I have planned, price really moved, take liquidity twice, and then shift the structure below this one, then we have a retest, and now reject that entry because I already had profit from ZAUUSD, so don't wanna lose that. And after all, this one was uh, after my time window, which is why I have to avoid this one. So yep, that's pretty much it for this week, and let's see you on the next week. I hope, inshallah, it will be much more better than this one.